If your Samsung phone battery is draining too fast in 2026, don't panic. Most of the time, it's caused by hidden settings running in the background without you noticing. Today, I'll show you 5 simple changes that can instantly improve your battery life and make your phone last much longer. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Turn off nearby device scanning. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Now scroll down slightly and tap on Connections. Inside this menu, look for More Connection Settings and open it. Here you'll find Nearby Device Scanning. Tap on it and switch it off. This feature constantly searches for nearby devices like earbuds, watches, or other phones, even when you're not using them. Turning it off helps reduce unnecessary background battery usage. Step 2. Disable Google usage and diagnostic reporting. Again, go back to the main settings menu. Now scroll down carefully until you see Google, then tap on it. Inside Google settings, tap on all services or sometimes settings for Google apps depending on your device. Scroll down until you find usage and diagnostics and open it. Turn this option off. This stops your phone from constantly sending system performance data to Google, which quietly uses both battery and mobile data in the background. Step 3. Turn off RAM plus virtual memory. Next, open settings again and scroll down to device care. Tap on memory. Now look for an option called RAM plus and select it. Turn it off or reduce it to the lowest level. RAM plus uses your storage as extra memory, which sounds helpful, but in reality it can increase background activity and slightly affect battery performance over time. Step 4. Disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Now go back to settings once more. Tap on location, then open location services. Here you will see 2 important options. Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth scanning. Tap both of them one by one and turn them off. Even if your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is turned off, your phone still keeps scanning signals in the background. Disabling this helps stop that silent battery drain. Step 5. Stop intelligent network switching. Finally, open settings again and go to connections. Tap on Wi-Fi, then press the 3-dot menu in the top corner. Select intelligent Wi-Fi from the list. Now find the option called Switch to Mobile Data and turn it off. This feature automatically switches your internet between Wi-Fi and mobile data, but doing this repeatedly can drain battery and increase network activity. After applying these changes, your Samsung phone should feel more stable, run cooler, and most importantly, give you noticeably better battery backup throughout the day.